Bought that brand new 2016 Bugatti. You already know. Look at the wheels. Look at the interior, boy. Ooh, let me try to get in there. Oh man. There you know, got the sign right there. See that? Yeah, we could. Got that engine. Got that, you already know that 6.4 engine with the Bugatti sign too. We got a two-tone Bugatti too. Got a dark blue with the lighter blue. I would say it's a baby blue and this is a midnight blue. And you see it. You see it. Hold on. Watch this. Lights turn on. Oh. Put that up. I gotta clean. I gotta take it to the car wash. Yep. Look. Look. Wheels. Here's the back. Oh, there we go. As you can see, look, even the lights in the back turn on. This is the Veyron 16.4 Bugatti. Remote control RC. Ha! Got everybody. RC Bugatti. Just showing you how it looks and stuff like that. Pretty cool car. So remote control car, obviously. There you have it. The back lights work. As I show you, the front lights work. And the mirror is really a good reflection too. Look. Oh, goddamn. See? If you really look closely, you can see on the mirror the interior of the car. So that means that you know it's official. It's really official. And to show you what's under the car, how to work it and shit like that. This is the under the car. This is how you want the wheels, like which direction you really want the wheels to go towards. So like if you want to drive and go more towards the right, you would push it this way. And if you want to go more towards the left, you would go push it this way. This, you gotta unscrew this with a screwdriver, ordinary screwdriver, and take it out. That's where the battery is. And yeah, that's basically it. This is the controller. And hold on. It also came with a battery. Oh, yeah. Here's the battery. You charge the battery that it comes with onto here. Plug it to an outlet. Say about good what? 2 hours. You should be fine. Yeah, 2 hours about. Yep. So other than that, I would recommend buying this car. This is another review on items. I'm telling you, I'm out. Peace.